Our kidneys are like hardworking cleaners, working tirelessly day in and day out to keep our bodies in tip-top condition. We often don't think much about them, but these bean-shaped organs are vital for our survival. Their main job? To filter waste products, toxins, and excess fluid from our blood, like a super-efficient filtration system. Think of your blood like a flowing river, carrying nutrients and oxygen to every part of your body. As the river flows through the kidneys, they act like a sieve, removing unwanted substances like a net catching debris. This waste is then sent to the bladder to be flushed away as urine. Beyond waste removal, our kidneys also help control blood pressure, maintain electrolyte balance, and even stimulate red blood cell production. But what happens when these unsung heroes start to falter? When our kidneys can't keep up with their cleaning duties due to disease or injury, waste products and excess fluids build up in the body. This can lead to a life-threatening condition called kidney failure. Thankfully, medical advancements have provided a lifeline for those with failing kidneys: dialysis. Dialysis steps in to perform the crucial role of filtration when the kidneys can no longer do so effectively, offering a chance at life for millions around the world. Dialysis isn't a cure for kidney failure, but it's a lifeline, a bridge that allows patients to live longer, fuller lives. Imagine a world without dialysis. For the nearly 2 million people worldwide who rely on this treatment, life would be drastically different. Dialysis acts as a mechanical substitute for our kidneys, removing waste products and excess fluid from the blood, much like a kidney would. There are two main types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Each type has its own set of procedures, schedules, and lifestyle implications. The choice of dialysis often depends on individual patient needs, medical history, and lifestyle preferences. Hemodialysis is like a direct line to clean blood. It involves using a machine to filter the blood outside the body. Peritoneal dialysis, on the other hand, utilizes the lining of the abdomen as a natural filter. Both methods aim to achieve the same goal: to rid the body of harmful waste products and excess fluids, offering a chance at a healthier life. Hemodialysis, often simply called dialysis, is like sending your blood for a thorough cleaning at a specialized laundry service multiple times a week. In this process, blood is drawn from the body through a special access point, usually in the arm, and pumped into a machine called a dialyzer. Think of the dialyzer as a sophisticated filter, almost like a fine mesh sieve. As the blood flows through this dialyzer, it's met with a special solution called dialysate. The dialysate is like a cleaning agent, attracting and capturing waste products and excess fluids from the blood, while allowing essential blood cells and proteins to pass through. After this cleansing process, the filtered blood, now free from harmful substances, is pumped back into the body. Hemodialysis typically requires 3 sessions per week, with each session lasting around 3 to 5 hours. While it does require a time commitment, hemodialysis offers a lifeline for countless individuals, allowing them to manage kidney failure and live fuller lives. Peritoneal dialysis, unlike hemodialysis, doesn't involve needles or a trip to a dialysis center for each treatment. It turns your own body cavity, the peritoneum, into a natural filtering system. The peritoneum is a thin membrane that lines the abdominal cavity, holding your internal organs in place. This method uses a special solution called dialysate, similar to hemodialysis. But instead of a machine, it uses the peritoneum as the filter. A catheter, a thin tube, is surgically implanted into the abdomen, providing a pathway for the dialysate to flow in and out. The dialysate dwells in the peritoneum for a certain period, absorbing waste products and excess fluid from the blood vessels lining the cavity. After several hours, the used dialysate, now carrying the waste, is drained out and replaced with fresh solution. This exchange process is repeated several times a day, either manually or using an automated machine, offering flexibility and convenience for patients. Section 5. The mechanics of dialysis. A simplified look. Imagine dialysis as a balancing act, striving to achieve equilibrium. It works on the principles of diffusion and filtration, two natural processes that help maintain the body's internal environment. Diffusion is like a game of tag, where molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, trying to even things out. In dialysis, waste products and excess electrolytes in the blood, present in high concentrations, diffuse across a semi-permeable membrane, either the dialyzer in hemodialysis or the peritoneum in peritoneal dialysis, into the dialysate. where their concentration is lower. Filtration, on the other hand, is like using a sieve to separate particles based on size. In dialysis, excess fluid in the blood is pushed across the membrane into the dialysate by applying pressure. This helps regulate the fluid balance in the body. By mimicking these natural processes, dialysis acts as a surrogate kidney, removing waste products, balancing electrolytes, and regulating fluids, keeping the body in a stable state despite kidney failure. Section 6. The challenges of life on dialysis. Living with dialysis can be like adding another full-time job to your life. While dialysis offers a lifeline, it also presents a unique set of challenges, impacting various aspects of a patient's life. From dietary restrictions to emotional adjustments, the journey requires resilience, adaptability, and a strong support system. One of the most significant challenges is the time commitment. Hemodialysis typically requires 3 sessions per week, each lasting several hours, often disrupting work, social life, and family time. Peritoneal dialysis, while offering more flexibility, involves daily exchanges and can impact body image due to the catheter. Dietary restrictions are another hurdle. Controlling the intake of potassium, phosphorus, sodium, and fluids is crucial to prevent complications. This can be difficult, requiring careful meal planning and often limiting food choices. Emotionally, the diagnosis of kidney failure and the need for dialysis can be overwhelming. Patients may experience a range of emotions from fear and anxiety to depression and frustration as they adjust to this new reality. Section 7. Adapting and thriving managing life with dialysis. While the challenges of dialysis are undeniable, it's important to remember that life doesn't end with a diagnosis of kidney failure. With the right mindset, support system, and management strategies, individuals on dialysis can adapt, thrive, and embrace fulfilling lives. Support groups play a crucial role in this journey. Connecting with others who understand the ups and downs of dialysis can provide emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of community. Sharing experiences and coping mechanisms can empower patients to navigate the challenges. Healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, dietitians, and social workers, are invaluable resources. They provide medical management, dietary guidance, emotional support, and connect patients with financial assistance programs if needed. Lifestyle modifications are essential for a smoother dialysis experience. This includes adhering to medication schedules, following dietary restrictions, staying active as tolerated, and prioritizing mental well-being through relaxation techniques or counseling. Section 8. Advancements in dialysis, portable and beyond. The world of dialysis isn't stagnant, it's constantly evolving, driven by innovation and a commitment to improving patients' lives. Recent advancements in dialysis technology offer greater convenience, flexibility, and even a glimmer of hope for a future beyond dialysis. Portable dialysis machines, smaller and more user-friendly than their predecessors, are gaining popularity. These machines allow for home hemodialysis, giving patients greater control over their treatment schedules and the freedom to travel. Wearable artificial kidneys, though still in developmental stages, hold immense promise. Imagine a future where dialysis is as discreet and convenient as wearing a watch. These devices aim to provide continuous filtration, mimicking the natural function of kidneys, potentially eliminating the need for lengthy dialysis sessions. Section 9. Hope on the horizon, the future of dialysis. While dialysis remains a lifeline for millions, the ultimate goal is to find a permanent solution for kidney failure. The future of dialysis is brimming with hope, fueled by ongoing research in regenerative medicine and the development of bioartificial kidneys. Regenerative medicine focuses on harnessing the body's own healing capabilities to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs. Scientists are exploring innovative approaches like stem cell therapy and three-dimensional bioprinting to regenerate functional kidney tissue, offering a potential cure for kidney failure. Bioartificial kidneys, engineered to mimic the natural filtration process of human kidneys, are another exciting frontier. These devices, implanted within the body, aim to provide continuous filtration, eliminating the need for external dialysis altogether. While these advancements offer a beacon of hope, it's crucial to remember that dialysis remains a vital lifeline for countless individuals today. By supporting research, raising awareness, and advocating for patients' needs, we can pave the way for a future where kidney failure is no longer a life-altering condition.